You today. Hello and welcome to this evening. I'm so excited to be here. Thank you so much for joining. I can see you guys coming into the room. Thanks so much for the likes. Thanks so much for being here. I really do appreciate you guys. You are awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Yeah, so we've got a lot we're going to do today, and I really want us to have a lot of time together to have a good quality session together. So if you're here, just send a chat, send a hello to us in the chat. I'm actually okay. Let me just quickly ensure. All right, I was trying to make sure that I get into, the other. Let me just.
All right, I was trying to make sure that I get.
Okay, sorry about that, guys. I was just trying to, make sure that my sound wasn't echoing from the background. Okay, thank you very much. So we're going to go straight into action. Sorry about that little delay. Like I was saying, please, if you're here, just say hello. Right? Can you hear me now? I want to be sure you can hear me. Can you hear me? If you can hear me loud and clear, please let me know that you're here. Just say hi in the comments. Hello, Favor. Thank you. Favor Israel. Thank you, Ibrahim. Thank you, Abdor. Yes, well done. Just say, yes, I can hear you clearly. Please, if you would like, please just help me with that so that I can be sure that you can hear me very clear. Once I get someone's message, I'll get going. If you're here, just type in the comments, say, I'm here. All right. I can see that we're online. I can see all of us online. I can see the likes. I just want us to please just say hello in the comments if you can hear me, if it's loud and clear, and then we go. And I just want to make sure that we don't miss out. This is an interactive class. You can ask questions. You can stop me at any given time and ask me questions, right? So that we can all benefit from this. All right, I can see that Favor is here. I can see Ibrahim is here. So go ahead and just say hi in the comments if you're joining us. Okay, so what do I have for us today? We're going to be looking at spot trading and the different opportunities and strategies that we need to look at in the year 2024 and how it affects our trading style and how do we really want to make the best use of this particular. Hi guys, thank you so much. I can see you guys here. Thank you so much for joining. Yeah, how does it affect your trading? How do we go into having a good and very smooth trading adventure when it comes to doing spot trading? Spot trading is actually one of the avenues that we teach here, and I want us to really take a deep dive. Don't forget that this is going to be a live class. We're going to take some trades together. We're going to look at the different steps to doing profitable spot trading. So if you're here and excited, just click yes inside of the comments. Go right now into the comments and click yes. Click yes, click yes. Okay. All right. So I'm going to keep on moving. When I get any messages or any information, yeah, I can see, yeah, hello. I'm seeing 10. Is it 106? Yeah. Awesome. You can say hello. Thank you very much for joining. I love the fact that we're all here and having a nice time. Okay, let's get into action right away. So we're talking about spot trading. Spot trading is you holding on to a particular coin that has the opportunity to deliver, what will I call it now? That has the opportunity to deliver, profit to you in the very present future or probably in the midterm future. Yes, I can see more hellos. Yes, Oluchi, thank you so much for being here. I just wanted to just let you know that this is actually a live class, so it's quite interactive, and I would also want you guys to also follow along. Okay, so what is spot trading? Spot trading is holding on to a particular coin for a short space of time and selling off for profit. Yeah, so that means that we need to be able to identify coins that can give us profit opportunities, right? So we need to be able to identify coins that can give us profit opportunities and give us an opportunity not just only to have profit, but also maximum profit within a short space of time. Okay, so we're going to look at, yeah, I can see more people joining. Thank you so much. He said the video is on pause. No, it's not on pause. Just maybe you just need to reload it, right? The video is going smoothly here. Let me just check because I'm able to see it from here. I have another device where I'm checking. Let me go and select a coin. So I would change this and to see whether it's no, the video is moving. You just need to reload. Yes, you just need to reload. Yeah, that's great. I just changed the coin. So just to check that everything is fine. Okay. So if you got that we're talking about spot trading. We're not looking at triangular arbitrage or inter-exchange arbitrage, but we're looking at spot trading. And this is one of the areas in which you guys can actually maximize profits, okay? And the truth of the matter is that in every market, it's not as if maybe there's no risk. There are always risks in every market. And I must let you know that the risks abound, right? But how do we mitigate the risks? How do we ensure that the risks, are minimized? How do we ensure that the risks are taken care of to a very barest minimum? That's what we're looking at today, okay? So what are the things that we need to consider when we're doing spot trading? The first thing that you need to consider, and I always like to talk about this, right, is we will look at the charts, right? And there's some things in the charts we're going to look at. So I'm looking at, let me go into the BTC USDT pair. We'll start with that, and then we'll go and look at certain things, okay? So we're going to look at these two. Hold on a bit. Yeah. Just a moment, please. Okay. So we're going to take a good look. I'm currently on the BTC USDT chart, and I want us to take a look at a couple of things while we are, doing our best to now use this information to plot our trades. Okay. So look at this. This is BTC USDT. You should know that BTC, what will I call it now? Decide on some certain parameters. Right? So looking at these parameters, it will help us to make a decision on whether we should take these trades or not. Okay. Now, first thing, let's go to the charts. Let's look at the charts together. Now, what is the first thing you'll see in this chart? In this BTC, we're not taking a trade on BTC USDT, but I want to, what's the first thing that comes to your eyes when you see this chart? If you can get it, it'll be nice, right? Just looking at the chart, what comes to your eyes first thing when you see it? Let's see whether anybody will get that. What comes to your eyes? What comes to your eyes? Yeah. Okay, maybe I shouldn't waste too much time. Okay. What comes to your eyes is that you look at the candles. That's the first thing that comes to your eyes. You look at the candles, right? And the candles immediately gives you an idea of the direction of the market. Right? And that's the reason why I wanted us to look at BTC USDT. And we must also know that BTC USDT is the pair that most time governs, let me see if there's anybody. Yes, downward trend. You're right. Abdur says downward trend. Someone says bullish candles. No, there's no bullish candle here in the BTC USDT pair. No, it's in the downward trend, right? So the first thing that comes to our eyes is the candles. And that's what speaks to us first. Now, what are the things that make this candle speak to us? We have the combination of the indicators, right? We look at the candles. You have different time frames. You have the 1 day time frame, the 8-hour time frame, the 4-hour time frame, the 1 hour time frame, 15 minutes, 5 minutes, 1 minute. I love to look at the 1 hour time frame. I think it's just media, okay? And then we begin to tell ourselves what gives us a propensity that this is going to move up, okay? Because when we're talking about holding onto a coin for a short space of time, we wanted to have the propensity to gain an increase in volume or in value so that we can sell off, right? So now, when you look at the chart, you must be able to tell what direction the market is going, and you need certain things to help you do that. Don't forget that this class is for beginners, so just in case you have no idea of spot trading, we're going to take it from scratch, and we're going to place trades, right? We're going to do live trades together so that you also can take these trades. And that's the reason why. Let me see how many. Hello people, welcome. I can see more people joining us. Thank you so much. Now, the reason why we're taking it bit by bit is because so we can start from the very beginning, the foundation. This is what speaks to us, the charts, okay? So now, let me go out of BTC USDT because I want to go out of BTC USDT to now go to the home page, right? To select coins. Now, I would tell you that when making a choice of the kind of coin you should use in terms of the price range, please consider your pocket. It's important, right? If you have a deeper pocket, we could look at prices above maybe $5, $10, and the rest of that for a coin. But if you are looking at a capital of, because I'm going to give you ranges, if you're looking at a capital of $50 and below, I would advise that you choose coins that are less than 10 cents, less than 2 cents, less than 1 cent. Reason being that it gives you a propensity to make more profit, right? But if you have bigger amounts of capital, you can choose coins above $1, $2, $3, and yet you'll still be able to make profit, right? So I'm just telling you that so that we can look at these different opportunities, whether you have a lot of capital or whether you have a little capital, right? I want to focus more on people that have little capital, right? Because I want to let you know that you can also make profit in spite of the size of your capital. I've done that many times, right? With very little capital. I'm talking about capital even in the range of $10, $12, $15, and I still make profit, right? And I've also used huge capital. I've used $100 and things like that. So let's look at all these ranges. Fine. So first thing is that, let me see the charts. Okay, yeah, the pullback. Israel says pullback. Yeah, Chuk says RSI is as well, the RSI as well, the downtrend. Yeah, good. Thank you so much for all your awesome comments. I'm really enjoying this class. So let's go to the homepage. I'm going to the home page of Binance. So if you're using another device, you can also follow along with me, right? You can follow along with me and let's do this together, right? The whole idea is that we can understand what we need to do. So I'm currently on the home page of Binance, right? And I'm going to start with gainers. Now, there are 3 different ways you can select your coins. And I want to take each one and show you an example. Right? But I'm going to start with my favorite. My favorite is gainers. Everybody say gainers. Say gainers. Say gainers. Say gainers in the chat. Yeah. Gainers is my app. Yeah. Thank you so much, guys. Welcome aboard. Say gainers. Yeah, I can see Chuk says gainers. That's it. Gainers is actually my absolute best. And I'm going to tell you the reason why. I'm going to tell you the other ways, right? But I want to start with the one that is my absolute favorite. Yeah, I can see everybody popping it in the charts. Thank you so much, 1060. Thank you so much. Great. So the reason why I go for gainers is because if a coin is pumping, it shows that there's a tendency for it, even if it's going to lax, there's a tendency for it to keep on pumping at least for one more day. That's it. So because gainers, it's in the green. You can see I love the look of the greens. I love the look of the greens. It's so awesome. Yeah. I hate it when I see reds. Okay. Red looks like danger. Green looks like let's go. Yeah. I loved it. Right. So when I look at this green and I look at the different, what's it called now? The different, don't mind me, I'm trying to show you. Can you see the percentages? Can you see the percentages? 40.11% within 24 hours. 38.46% within 24 hours. This is awesome. This is beautiful. And we see all of those lined up. Yeah. So welcome, guys. I just want to take a quick break to show you guys a quick testimony before I go ahead. I just remember that I forgot to do that. If you're here and you just I want to share 2 quick testimonies of people who sent me, screenshots of how they're making money, right? With spot trading. These are not my students. Get me right. They have not paid for any course. They did not even tell me to share this, okay? I just felt I needed to share this to let you know the absolute beautiful thing that resides in spot trading. So let me just quickly just show you. I'll just do this quickly. Yeah, please, if you can see my screen, let me know. Right, I'm just going to read this out just quickly to share with you. So I'm just sharing a screenshot of, 2 different testimonies I received today. And this person says, God will, first of all, greeted me Merry Christmas and said, God will reward you for your impact in my life. You really opened up everything to me for free. Wow. And the person said, I started trading officially in September with $50 on spot trading. Take note of that. And I said, wow, I'm glad to hear this. Let me just slide to the second. Oh, where am I? Okay, this is it. These are just screenshots I took. He now said, I'm not sure whether it's a he or a she, said, I added $500 after I grew a little confidence. And I have made around $300K since then. And I just set up my P2P page on Bybit as a trader, which I intend posting adverts in January. And I said, great job and well done. I'm glad to hear that you have been finding value in our YouTube channel videos without even paying to be my student. To God be all the glory. I just wanted to let you know that if you take time to listen to everything that we're going to do today, you can also be making money. You can do it by yourself. But if you need guidance, right? We are here to give you guidance, because this is not the only thing we talk about. We talk about, triangular arbitrage, we talk about inter-exchange arbitrage, and we have apps and websites that we use to help you to get signals for those. Okay, but I just also want to let you know that if you need someone to hold you by the hand, we're here also for you. Okay, so let's go to the next one. All right. So now, the person now said, yes, so thanks to God and you, I have as many friends who want to venture into crypto business. And she said, but I won't forget you, my madam, because I watched the videos, but you gave me what I needed to push further. Wow. I said, to God be all the praise. And that's it. We thank God. You don't have to pay me to do this, right? I'm doing this because I love it. Okay. I'm doing these classes because I actually love doing it. It's an absolute joy for me. Okay. That you guys are here and you're learning. And this is another one, another testimony that came in. That other one I just read to you came in yesterday. This one came in this morning. You can see it says, good morning and compliments of the season. She said, I'm one of your followers on YouTube and I decided to stick to your spot trading arbitrage. I'm currently trading with 100 USDT, taking 5 trades daily, $20 per trade. I can boldly say I have been making profit daily since on the 20th till date. Oh my God, this is awesome. Please, if you love this, don't forget, please just like this video. If you're finding value, enjoying this, please like this video. I want you to do that for me. That's the only thing you can do to say thank you, because this is awesome, right? Let me just shoot. You can see the screenshots of the person's transfers, right? And all of that. Wow. For me, she said that here's my proof. And she was giving me all this proof. I just said, wow, I'm so excited to hear this. I'm glad you've been finding value in our YouTube videos on the channel and making consistent profit. Okay, so these people I just read to you, they are not even, my subscribers. They're not my subscribers, right? They aren't my subscribers at all. I mean, they are my subscribers on the channel, but they are not, they're not students. They're not VIP students, right? But these are what they are sharing. So let me take you through a testimony of one of our students so that at least you can balance it out, right? So we have a testimony from our students who was giving me practical, and all these things I'm saying, I did not ask anybody for a testimony. They were just sending these out of their own volition. I'm sharing this so you can understand the beauty of spot trading, so you understand this, right? And the person said the person deposited $40 and moved from $40 to $45 within just 30 minutes. Using the strategies you taught us on spot trading. I said, great one, right? And the person went on to show me more, that it moved from $45 to $52 the following day. That's just showing you what you can do with spot trading, right? And this one said, this is from yesterday's trade, and this morning flipped from 45 to 52. Now, it didn't stop there. The person still sent me, I mean, if you're enjoying this, just go ahead and give me a like on this particular video, right? See, now sent me, this is the latest one the person sent me, which was yesterday. Take a good look at this. Take a good look at this. Let me show you. Maybe you need to see. As the person is actually on $122, almost $123, right? Well done. I'm just showing you that it is possible for you to grow your portfolio. So enough of testimonies, and let's get back into business. Okay. I just felt like sharing that with you so that it can motivate you, right? It can give you a push to let you know that this is possible. If you believe this is possible, just write "this is possible" in the comments. If you believe this is possible, whether you're watching the replay or you're watching now, just say "this is possible." Let me know in the comments that this is possible. I can make profit with spot trading. You can go ahead and put that. So let's go straight into the business of the day. I love to do my things live. The reason why I love to do it live is so that everybody can learn, right? Everybody needs to learn. We don't need to put this in the dark. We all need to follow along. We all need to learn together. Okay? So I'm starting up with gainers. So gainers is the segment, right, on the homepage. On the homepage, right, you click on gainers and then you click on, let me go back so I can show you how to do it. This is the homepage. You can see the bottom right, okay, the bottom left, the bottom left, you click on that home and then it brings you to this place. You have favorites, you have hot, gainers, losers, new listings, okay? So you click on gainers. So we're on gainers right now and click on view more. Okay, so I've clicked on view more to expand the view. Now, what is the first thing I'm going to be looking for? Now, depending on my capital. Now, I have a capital of about 150 that I just put there for us to use. Yeah, I can decide to go into trades of $50, or I can do a trade of $100 and a $50. But I think it's always good to just split it. And then you can see how the other person that was giving the testimony said he had done trades of $100, $20 trades per day in 5 places. It's always very good. Thank you guys. This is possible. I'm seeing it. Chicks is saying this is possible. 1600 says this is possible. Aze says this is possible. Open OBO says this is possible. It is possible. Thank you very much for the comments. Now, you will start by deciding on how much capital do you want to use. Now, if your capital is $50 and below, which most of us might likely have that particular amount, we could actually use more, right? I would always suggest that you use coins that are $1 and below. Okay, $1 and below. In fact, below 50 cents is very, very good. Okay, because you want to have an opportunity to create more profits for yourself. Okay, so as I'm looking at, right, I can see that BSW has 13 cents. It's a good one, right? I'm seeing that Lever is less than 1 cent. It's 0.002. In fact, that is where I want to start from. Let's click on Lever. All right. Now, when you click on a coin that fits your budget range, the first thing you need to look out for is what is the parabolic SAR saying. Now, mind you, it's only really on because I use like about 5 different exchanges, and I'm planning to expand that. I use Binance, I use KuCoin, I use Mexi, I use BitGet, and I also use Bytrue, right? So I find out that KuCoin doesn't have parabolic SARS. And I also find out that BitGet doesn't have parabolic SAR. So what do I use in replacement for that? I use the Bollinger Bands. Now, it may not be as accurate as the parabolic SAR. Now, why do I use the parabolic SAR? Of course, on Binance and on Mexi, you can get the parabolic SAR. Why do I use the parabolic SAR? I use the parabolic SAR because even though it's a lag indicator, it is very good in telling me what has happened in the past and what might likely happen in the future. So it may not be telling me exactly what's happening right now, but it's telling me what has happened in the recent past and what will likely happen in the very close future. So that's why I love it. So in using the parabolic SAR, please always ensure that the parabolic SAR is underneath and it is in an upward trend. Okay? Once it's in an upward trend and it's underneath, make sure that it is not too advanced. Like the way I'm looking at this one, to me, it's already getting a bit, saturated. But as I am looking at it, I'm still seeing that the parabolic SAR is moving up, but the last candle looks like it's going down and it might likely switch. So because I'm not just only going to use the parabolic SAR, I'm also going to use the RSI. The RSI is really important. Look at the RSI. The RSI is 75.47. Now, at this point, it's showing me that it's saturated, right? That means that, because I always tell us, if we want to use something that will move up, right, that is not getting weakened or tired, you should use anything probably between 65 and 72. Once it's getting to 75, it's already in the mode to switch. And you can see that evidence with this red candle. Don't be deceived that there's a green candle there. The green candle is already in the going down mode. As you can see, we have a wick on top. So even if it looks like it's going up, it's eventually going to go down because it's actually in a pullback season. All right. Someone says, yeah, Aki, I love that. I'm just looking at the comments again. It's in a pullback season, right? So first thing first, decide on your capital. Second thing, when you choose a coin that fits your capital, make sure that the parabolic SAR is underneath. That's number one. After you choose it. Thank you so much. Welcome, guys. That's the number one thing. Then second thing that will help you confirm this is the RSI. It shouldn't be more than 75. In fact, 75 is already too much. We're talking about between 70, 72, 65, upwards to like around 73. Once it's getting beyond that 73, as we can see here, it's getting tired and it's most likely would switch to a downtrend. So would I take this trade? No. So once you have ascertained that those two things are in the know, then you can go ahead with these other things I want to share with us. So first thing is, if you're taking down notes, write it. Parabolic SARS needs to be underneath. Second thing, excuse me, please. Second thing is that RSI should not be more than 75. At 75, it's a bit overboard because when you're looking at the RSI, it's showing that at that point it's at the overbought level and it will soon switch to start selling. That's how it is, okay? And if you can see right now that even you can see that it's going down lower. Just look at that green candle. It's going down lower and it will naturally move very soon into a red candle. That's just what I wanted to show you. Now, after you've been able to certify that those two things are good, we now begin to look at the volume. We look at the 24-hour high. We look at the 24-hour low. We look at, what the volume is, whether there's even liquidity to get this trade executed. Now, if all these things have been certified, then we go ahead and pick our trade. So let's start with the first thing. The first thing is to find a trade that fits this ones, okay? You too can also follow along. Look at your phone, check on the different things that we find. And let's go to BSW. You can see what I'm talking about here. It looks like, the parabolic SAR is going up, but it's going to switch at this point. It definitely is. And the reason why the parabolic SARs went up was because of these two green candles. There was an artificial pump. Let's go ahead. I'm going to do a quick search. You guys, you can go ahead and let's just check this together. If you find anyone, right, that you feel fits the bill, you can drop the name of that coin in the chart, right? But I'm just doing my own quick check right now. I'm working with coins under 30 cents. So I'm seeing some heavy coins here, but I would like to do, maybe I should just check everyone. Let me check everyone. Oh, look at this SKL. Let's check it out. Oh, can you see something? The parabolic SARS is on top. I would not touch it, right? But I'm going to look through every one of them so that I can, let me start from farm. Farm is $58. The farm is $58. Would I take this trade? No, I wouldn't. Why wouldn't I take this trade? Number one, the capital is quite intensive. If I had $10,000, I would do this, right? But I don't have. But even besides that, I'm seeing that the green candle is not in a pump mode, because that's the third thing we must see. The candle should be in pump mode. That means that it should be going up. It should be full. It should not be showing a wick, right? We have PERP. No, it's not working for us. Okay, I'm just trying to get a what's it called now? I'm trying to get a particular coin that will fit what we're looking for. Lever doesn't fit it. SCI is 58 cents, but I'm still going to check it out. Wow, look at this one. Look at this one. Look at SCI. Look at what I'm talking about. Can you see something here? I can see that the parabolic SAR, if we all can go to SEI, you can check it out. Yeah. SEI is 50 cents and it has the parabolic SARs underneath it. Can you see that? We have 3 parabolic SARs that have come out, right? And it's in an upward trend. The only thing that is giving me concern is that the last candle here, let me check the RSI. RSI is what? RSI is 72. Not bad. Not bad. But the only thing that may make me change my mind about choosing this trade is because of the last candle. The last candle is not in pump mode. You can see it has a wick. And it's looking like it's about to have a drawback. That's what it's showing me right now. So it fits the bill for RSI. I'm sorry, for parabolic SAR. It fits the bill for RSI. But why wouldn't I not pick this trade? Because the wick is not in pump mode. So let's quickly check another one. We guys, we're gonna just check this together, right? That's SEI. Okay, what's the next one I have? Let's check Bake. Let's see what Bake is saying. Oh no, the parabolic SARS is on top. You can see that parabolic SAR is on top, so we would not pick it. I want us to follow very carefully because this is going to help you in your trades, okay? Because people are always, how do you know the coin to choose? This is how you know the coin. This is how you know the coin, right? This is how you know the coin. Let's go to Burger, okay? Burger, oh, look at it. Burger is, oh, it's on 63, not bad, right? The only problem I'm having is that this last candle is not on pump mode and I wouldn't be able to take it because already on a red candle. All right, so this is the task we have to do one after the other. But we're going to find one today. We are going to find one, 2 or 3, right? I just hope you'll be patient for us to look at this and we might even be able to execute this trades. Okay, I think Burger. What about Cake? No, Cake is the same thing. So I'm going to make it speedy. I'll try and move quick. There's Quick. Have we checked Quick? Okay. Quick looks good. Quick is 70 for RSI. The parabolic SARS is going up. And look at it. It has a wick. But in some situations, we might be able to boycott the third option of it being on pump mode, as long as you can leave it for a few seconds and see that you come back and it appreciates. Now, this is the test for you if you have found out that the parabolic SAR is good and the RSI is good. The next thing you want to check is if you leave this for like about probably a minute or 2, would you come back and find it to increase? That's what we're going to do. That's what we're going to give that test. So that test is what we're going to do now. As you can see here, we have, oh yeah, it's going up 0.067. right? And that's called Quick. Now I'll come back in about a minute. I can see that 0.067. I'll leave Quick for a while. It looks like it's a candidate It looks like a candidate, but I want to check others, okay? So let's check RSR. Let's check RSR. Let's see whether, oh no, RSR is not doing it. It's not cutting it for us. As you can see here, the parabolic SARS is up. So we have one candidate so far. Excuse me, please. All right. Okay, someone says here, how about C98? Okay, let's go check C98. Let's check C9. Let's search for C98, okay? Let's check for C98. What am I doing? Let's check for C9. Someone suggested C98. Let me go and check C98. All right. C98. All right, good. Let's check it. Let's go to the charts. Thanks for, oh, interesting. Can you see C98? Someone says, which broker is this again? That's Harold says, no, this is Binance. We're on Binance. Yes. So look at C98. C98 has the parabolic SARS on top. So I wouldn't take the trade. Do you understand? I just checked out C98, right? Chooks asked for C98. So I've checked C98 and I can see that I wouldn't pick that trade. Okay. All right. Yes. The broker is Binance. Yeah. So if you have any other option of coins, let's begin to drop it. Okay. So sorry about that. C98 does not fit the bill for us. Let's go back to gainers. Don't forget that we're going to look at how to use new listings. We're also going to look at how to probably use losers, but it's not my favorite. All right. Someone says here, I'm trying to check. Okay. So I was wondering what that is. Let's go back to gainers. Let's view more and check. So I was checking. What was I checking? I think we've checked SQL. We said we're going to go back to Quick to go and check whether it's going up, right? And then we might likely take the trade. So I'll get back to Quick after I check which other one. Let's see. RSR. I think we were checking RSR. RSR doesn't work for us. I'm not doing BNB and RN. No. This one's, I'm looking for coins that are under $1, right? So I'm seeing MAV. Let's check MAV. Oh, look at it. Look at MAV. All right. MAV. What's the RSI? Let's check the RSI. 62. Not bad. The parabolic SAR just came out. I would never advise that you take a trade with one parabolic SAR. No. Let the parabolic SAR be at least 3-4 upwards. Okay. Let's make sure that the parabolic, because it's just starting, it can change its mind. It's not established, right? The trend is not yet established, so we wouldn't be able to do this one. But let me go back to Quick. Quick should give us a signal whether we're gonna use it or not. So remember that what we had was 067. So it looks like it's going up. It looks like, but I'm still not very comfortable because I expected it to go up further. So we're going to still leave it. We're going to leave it for a while. We're going to come back to it. When it comes to spot trading, you don't want to be in a hurry. Yes. Yes. Someone says that please do record it for future users. Yes, you can always come back and watch this. Yes, that's why we're doing it as YouTube live, so that you can always come back and watch this at your time. All right. So Quick currently is 672. What it's going down? It was 29. Now it's 2. No, I don't have confidence in that. Right. So let's go ahead and keep on checking. Right. Look, let me tell you something. Today we're gonna actually find. Someone says, okay, check TRU. Was that not what I saw? Yeah, let's check TRU. Let's go ahead and check TRU. The whole idea is for us to be able to make this together to see why are you selecting this coin, and then why would I take it or not, right? I'm going to tell you that. So please, if you see any coins that we should take, go ahead and drop that there. So let's look at TRU. Let's see whether TRU will fit the bill. TRU, no. I need you to put on your parabolic SARS on your, so who's telling me this? This is 10600, right? I would like you to make sure that your parabolic SAR is on. you need to make sure that the parabolic SAR indicator is on your app. Because right now, if you take a good look at it, you will see that the parabolic SAR is up. So I wouldn't take the trade, because the parabolic SAR is already telling me that this is going to be a downtrend in the very close future. So you can see the reason why I'm not going to take this TRU is because even though you can see that it's in pump mode, look at it. Can you see what's going on here? It's in pump mode. But the reason why I wouldn't take it, because this is definitely going to go down in a very short while. It's going to go down. Trust me. Just give it about some few minutes. You will just see it will change. It will start going down. That's just it. You can see that even though it looks like it's in pump mode, it will start going down, right? And if you look at the, you can see that the RSI is 58. It doesn't have enough strength to push it up. Now, it's losing its strength. The RSI is losing its strength. Once you can see that the RSI is losing its strength, and you can see that the parabolic size is on top, don't pick that trade. Don't. So I'm awaiting more options. Anybody? Someone says LTO, and let's do front. Okay, I'll check front. I'll check LTO. Let's go there, guys. Let's go there. Let's check LTO. Let's check LTO. All right. Let's look at LTO. We're here to do this together. LTO, it looks like it's in the green. Okay, this looks good. 69, not bad at all. Yeah, I can actually choose this. I'm seeing that the parabolic size is up underneath, right? And I'm also seeing that it has a wick. I don't like the artificial pump I'm seeing here, but it has a wick here, right? And I'm seeing that the price has not moved. It's still on 930, 0.0930. Okay, so what we will do is that we'll give, when we see that it doesn't fit the bill, it fits the bill for other things, but it doesn't fit the bill for pump mode. So Wana says, which time frame? Because mine is on 15 minutes time frame. Oh, okay. Please use 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame. And he said, okay, it's on 15 minute time frame, and the parabolic SAR is underneath the candlestick. Please use 1 hour time frame. Open OBO says, let's check front. Let's go and check front. Let's check front. Okay. Let's quickly check front. Let's check front. All right. Let's check front. Front is looking green. Let's go ahead. Front. I would rather do LTO than do front. You know, look at front. If you're looking at front right now, front has the parabolic SARS on top. Chuk says, what about ORN? Okay, I'll check ORN. Now, the reason I want to, before you guys begin to give me more, please make sure that you're on 1 hour time frame, okay? And also make sure that the parabolic size is underneath. Why are we using 1 hour time frame? 1 hour time frame is the median, right? We could decide to use the 15 minutes time frame, but there's a problem with that, right? Because it's giving us, the time frame is too short, right? It's telling us what's happening within the past 15 minutes and what will likely happen in the next 15 minutes. If we miss it, we will find out that if we pick that trade, most spot tradings may not execute within 15 minutes. That's just the thing. Okay. So if you're looking at the 15 minutes time frame, it's not really going to help, because really, except it's really volatile. Okay. Then it will now begin to pump and move up high. Maybe it's a new coin. And you know, we're still going to go to new listings. I just want us to focus on gainers right now. So please, for gainers, these are the strict rules. The rules for new listing is different. Okay. The rule for new listing is different. Remember, the rule for new listing is different. Okay. And we're going to look at all of these rules together. So right now, front does not fit it. Let me see. Someone says I should check ORN. Let me check ORN. ORN. Let's see whether ORN fits it. ORN looks like it, right? The only thing is that I don't like the wick I'm seeing. The other one that we checked was what? Was it not LTO? Let me go back and check LTO. ORN is not going to work for us in the immediate. Why? Because the parabolic size is very good, and as you can see, even the RSI is 61. When you see 61, it's like in balance mode, right? So I want you to realize that ORN is not bad. The only thing I have about ORN right now is that the last candle is stuck on and it's going down. It's on 9022, and I just saw it go down right now. So let's go and check LTO. LTO might be a better one to choose. Let's go and check LTO. I think it was LTO we checked. LTO, what's happened to LTO? LTO might likely work. Okay, I think what we had was it was 0.09. I can't remember what it was. Oh, we should be taking notes of this. I can't remember what it was, whether it was 0.09. Oh, beautiful. Can you see what just happened now? Let's go with LTO. LTO has just moved up a bit. It's giving me confidence. Just to make sure that I check with 15 minutes time frame. It's also going up. Let's check the 4-hour time frame. I don't like the look of that. But anyways, in the 1-day frame, the parabolic SARS is underneath. So I think I'm comfortable going with it. Let's go back to our 1-hour frame. So can you see what I just did? Oh, this is beautiful. It will likely work. Okay, it will likely work. So now that this is working, the next thing we need to do is, where did it go in the last 24 hours? You can see it was really an artificial pump, but we'll definitely go for something that is conservative. So we're going to work with this. Let's go with LTO. LTO will work. LTO would work. So for gainers, it's in pump mode, it's going up, and it's likely to work. So let's just work with $50. Okay, so we're going to do a quick simulation. You can see it's 9 cents. Okay, so we're going to pick up $50 and then try and see how much it's going to give us. Okay, it's not going to pick up everything. It's only going to pick up $49.91. So maybe I should change this. Let me change this. Let me see. Let me make this $51. Okay, no, let's leave it at 50. I mean, what's the biggie? Let's leave it at 50. Let's work with 50. It's going to pick up $49.91. Okay, because it's 9 cents. So, but if I pick, let me see if I put 50.5, 50.5, will that work? Let me see, 50.5. No, let me just work with what I know. Let me work with 50 direct. Whatever it picks up will work with that. So look at it right now. Let's copy that. So now we have copied it. Then we'll go back to the charts and see. Oh, beautiful. This is looking beautiful. It went up high to this length. It's too high. It's going to give us a good pump, but we have to go back and choose something less. So we go back. Can you see what just happened now? Beautiful, right? So if I go to sell, I'll put that on 9. Let's make it 9.4. Let's see what we would get. 9.4. What would that give us? All right. Let's paste that. Wow. No, 66 cents. We want to gauge 2%, right? So let's make this 9.5. Let me see what 9.5 is gonna give me. Right. Let's paste that there. Okay, like $1.20 is not bad. I love the look of that. So let's go back. So now we're right now about to do business. Okay, let's see if there's any. Yeah, I love what's coming in. Oh, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Wow, we were wasting too much time. Anyways, let's go back and put our 50 and see. Oh, it's gone up high. Let's go. Let's see if we can buy that. Have we bought it? I think we did. I think we bought it. Awesome. So we actually did that with $49.98, because you can see what we have left. We have like $150 there. So we have left here 100. So let's see, it might likely go up. So let's see it's coming down now. No problems. What we've just done is that we've been able to, it's come back down. Well, this happens, okay? So we're going to go ahead and put our sell limit order. We're going to put that to, let's put that back to 9.5. Let's see whether that's going to work for us. 9.5. All right, let's put that here. No. Let's put that at 9.6, because it's definitely gonna hit it, right? 9.98. Okay, 97, or let's say put 95, 98. Ah, that's so much. 96, 97. Okay, maybe we'll just put 965. Let's put 965. We just want to target, right? We want to target what's going to give us, at least 2%. All right, and we can see that we have at least 2%. So let's put 66. I want to make sure that I have enough to take care of all the, of all the different, what's it called now? Something that would at least help me to pay for the fees, so that I can have a clear 1%. That means clear 2%, right? So we can see that LTO was good, right? So we're going to go ahead and just place that sell. All right, so we're currently in the queue right now, okay, and we're trying to sell at 966. Now, will it go up to that place, right? You can see what happened. It had a quick push up, right? That was kind of like an artificial push up, but it's going to go back, right? Because if you take a good look at where it went to 991, and what we're looking at is 966. So let's just give it some time, yeah, and we'll come back to look at it again. So we've actually placed our trade on LTO. Let me go back to the charts to see what everybody has been saying. ORN, no. Troy, we'll check Troy. We'll check MINA. Let's go check that. Let's check MINA and Troy, okay? Oh, this is pullback season. Wow, look at this. It's actually having a pullback. Look at it. So LTO is currently having a pullback. Now, we have to realize that this happens, and when it gets to a point, it will push back up, right? And if it doesn't, we're just going to have to wait for it, okay? So let's go check the other two. Let's check TROY and check MINA. Let's go check that out. Let's check Troy. Let's check Troy. We'll come back to see what's going on there. Okay, let's check Troy. Let's check. Oh, it seems like something happened. Let's check BTC. Something must have happened that in this hour. Let's check. Let's check BTC. Let me go check BTC directly. Let's check BTC. Where are you? Let's check for BTC. Because I'm seeing that something happened right now. But no, nothing happened to BTC. It's even going up. Okay, let's go back to see what's going on with Troy, because I saw the same pattern of what happened. Okay, let's go back and check. When I see these red candles, I can see that the parabolic size up, but Troy took the same turn as LTO, right? So I don't know what's going on with that within that space right now. Everything about this looks good. But if I had seen that red candle on what's it called now, on LTO, I definitely wouldn't have entered it, because at that point it was getting ready for its pullback season. So I just entered. There was just that little mysterious push that happened that made me go for it. But you see, that's the truth. We're just trying to be close to the answer as much as possible. Yeah, sometimes we make some mistakes. No problems. We'll just wait for it. Okay, right? And pullback seasons can take some time. It could take probably like about 30 minutes to 1 hour. Well, anyways, we're still on it. But this one looks like a good one. It definitely, because it's on the red, I definitely will not take the trade immediately. I'm going to wait for it to come back, right? Remember, we had one that we were checking. Remember Quick? Do you remember Quick? I remember we were checking on Quick. Let's go and check. What's going on is in Quick's life. Is Quick still working? I don't know. Let's confirm. All right, let's check what's going on with Quick, because I was trying to check. Oh, it actually went up. It went up, actually, and then it came down. Do you see what happened? Can you see what's going on? It's the same thing that happened to LTO. Same thing happened to Troy. Same thing happened to Quick, right? So they're all going through their pullback seasons. I really wish I had seen that one for, LTO before I went into it, but fine, that's okay. Let's go to MINA, MINA. All right, MINA. Let's check it. Not Muna, Mina. Okay, Mina USDT. Oh, same thing. Can you see what happened? It's the same thing. Okay, can you see it's the same thing that's happening? So I'm seeing a lot of pullback seasons happen around the same time. Yes, VET is looking very good. Okay, I'll check it out. I love what we're doing here. This is how we're doing this interactive thing. Let's check VET. Said VET is looking really good. Wow, it actually is. And I think I'm going to go for this. It really is looking good. It's looking really good. The only thing that's just, giving me some little concern is that, the parabolic SARS is only 2, but it doesn't, look at it's on 57. No problem. But this is good. This is what I call pump mode. Let's go ahead. Let's try it out. Don't worry, we have $100 to do this, right? So let's go ahead and put in $50, right? And the price is also really good too. So let's just copy that. All right, let's copy it. Let's not waste too much time. I think I should just go ahead and buy. This one is going to go. Let's not waste time. Come on. Let's just go. Let's put $50 there and buy it now. Yeah, let's go. Can we? Oh, we're in the queue. I don't like being in the queue. Come on. Let's go and buy it at a higher price. Should we buy this at a higher price? I think we should. Buy this at a higher price. It should go up. This is going to go one more. Just one time. That's it. We bought it, right? So now what we want to do is to quickly get it sold, right? The reason why I went for a higher price is because I believe it's still going to go up, right? So then let's try and see and make this, a sell limit that will give us some. So VET is not bad, right? Let's go for VET. Okay. Let's click on sell. And then we'll put on the 100%. No. What am I doing? Okay, let's change this. Let's see where, we have to create a new level for it. Okay, once you see it's already in pump mode and doesn't have a next in the last 24 hours. Well, in the last 24 hours, it actually went up to 3.8. Let's check 3.8. Let's see what 3.8. Oh, you can see it's going up. It is going up. 3.8. Okay, 3.8. Let's put in 100%. 31 cents. No way. Let's put 3.9. 3.9. Not bad. We don't even have to do up to that, right? It's gone up. Look at it. It's currently going up. Beautiful, right? So let's put that in 3.85. Let's see what that will give us. Close to one. Let's say 3.87. Okay, not bad. 3.87 it is. Let's go for 3.87. You can see I'm targeting 2%, but plus some little extra. All right. So I'll go for 3.87. Let's go for 3.87 and set the sell limit, right? 3.87, right? Is it 3.87? Yeah, 3.87 and set our sell limit. That'll give us $1.24. Not bad. If it doesn't come all the way to that point, I'm going to cash out anyways. Okay. Let's go ahead and click on sell. All right. So see, we've got VET in the queue right now, and we're waiting for this to push up. It's actually going up. We might likely have this, execute. Yeah, VET met all. Yes, it met all the criteria. Yeah, you can see that VET met all the criteria, right? It did. I love the fact that you guys are seeing that, right? That VET met all. You can see what's going on here. Just take a look at VET. It's going up. We're currently in profit right now. Okay. VET is looking really good. Yeah. And it met all the requirements. You can see that it's going really good. Now, that's how you spot it, right? Let's go and check what's going on with LTO. Let's check what's happening in LTO's life. LTO, are we good? Let's go and check. Well, we're still in the, we're still trying to find its feet. But it will definitely go up. It will definitely go up. You can see it has started going up. There's a wick on the red candle. So it definitely will go up, right? But we're going to have to give it time because it's going through its season, its pullback season. So you're going to have to leave it. Anytime a coin is in its pullback season, it's either you don't take the trade, or if you've taken the trade, you wait for it, okay? There are no two other things that we can do. Let me see which other one that we guys are thinking. Let's go back to Quick. Let's check Quick. Now, I'm going to show you this. Maybe I should just switch from gainers now so I can show you. Maybe I can pick a trade with new listing, but I don't think I want to do that. But let me go back and see. Let's go back and see. Let's go back and check Quick. Quick was looking like it would go up, but I don't know. Let's see. I think I saw Quick just now. Or Quick has Quick left the tray. It looks like Quick is not going to work for us because it's like it's going down. No, it's not going to work for us again for now. They're all going through their pullback seasons. Okay? All going through their pullback seasons. I think there was another one we saw. Which was the other one that we saw? Was it Troy? Was it ORN? Let's check. Let's go check. Let's check which other one that was giving us some, ideas. Let's check. Oh, I've left that place. What's it? So I'm showing you this. I want us to look at this, and go through this together. And that's what we're doing, right? I think we've checked on Quick. It's not working. The other time we saw SKL. Oh, no, it's not working. Not working for us. Ooh, so I checked with RSR. No. Actually, if we find anyone you want us to use, let's go back and check. Let me see what's going on with we're just gonna have to keep on checking. Yeah, we gotta have to keep on checking. I think we've checked Minor, Matic. Nah, pullback season. Minor, I think we checked Minor. Did we check MINA? Oh yeah. Mina could have been a good idea if we didn't have that pullback season. Anybody with anything that you want us to check? Let's keep on checking. I'm seeing Dusk. Let's see. No. The parabolic star is on top. Let's go back and see what's happening in the life of, Vets. Vets, which is our bride. Oh, Vets is going down right now. It hasn't come back up. No problem. We'll come back to you. And then LTO also is going through its own pullback season. Let's see. Pullback season, but it will definitely go up. Okay. Let's try one more. Let's see. Guys, let me say hi to you. Welcome, guys. Thank you so much for joining. Yep. I hope if you're finding value in this, just say finding value. Just say value. If this is helping you and helping your trading adventure, say value, right? And maybe while I'm just, while we're trying to find, one more, right? I just have this, I was just thinking that what can I do to make you guys happy, right? What can I do to, ease off the stress that you guys may have? So I thought of doing something really like a very, how do I put it now? Engageable, training process that will make it fast and easy for you. So if you check in the description right now, you will see that I have a link there that says you can get access to the 555, quick start guide. Right now, that quick start is like we put together like 5 videos for you to watch that covers, spot trading, triangular arbitrage, inter-exchange arbitrage, just a quick start guide for you, right? And also, we also put together 5 different apps, right, that you can quickly use to be able to spot arbitrage opportunities, right? And the beautiful thing is that it's actually less than $10. I think maybe like we're doing it for like $9 for you guys, so that you can get access to this thing so quick. I mean, it's what we are doing is just to get you accountable, right? We want you to be accountable. That's what we want. It's not the money. The money is not the deal. If I were going to charge for any of my classes, I would charge $1,000 because I know what we offer. But it's not about the money. We just want you to have some form of commitment fee to keep you accountable. So if you're interested in the 555, quick start guide, right, where we have 5 videos that you're going to watch that are going to help you out. We have 5, what's it called now? The 5 apps, right, that will help you in spotting arbitrage opportunities, right? So, and we're giving you for $9. So you can just click on that and just send me a message if you're interested. So that will just look like a quick break. If you're interested in it, you can click on that and get access to that. It's just $9 for you to just keep yourself accountable. If you're happy about that, just say yes. Okay, it's just something to just give you as a gift, as we end the year, and then also to keep you accountable to doing this. Okay, I'm seeing. Thank you. Chuk says value. Thank you. So, and I'm seeing that someone says that to check sand. Let's go check sand. Let us check sand. Okay, we're gonna go and check sand. Let's see what sand has to offer. Okay, if you have anyone and you want us to check, please drop them here. Yes, thank you. 1-600. Thank you. All right, let's go check what's going on with sand. Oh, sand is looking good. Sand is looking good. Yeah, I love sand. Let's go for sand. This is good. I love this. Let's check the RSI. Oh, we can do it, but it doesn't have as much strength though. But let's go with it. I'm not even gonna waste time about this. Let's just go and buy it. Oh, it's not picking up everything. Oh, I don't like the fact that it's not picking up everything. Come on. No problems. We'll go with it. Let's just see. Does it put us in the queue? I think we bought it. We bought it. Yes. Oh, we only bought like $49.50. Let's see whether it's gonna take us higher. It's obviously in pump mode, right? It's obviously in pump mode. So how much did we buy it? How much did we buy it, right? Let's check the trade history. How much did we buy that? Just want to check. I mean, I didn't even bother going through. That's 49.58. All right, let's go. Let's go. 49.58. Ooh, what's happened? Is it going up? It looks like it's going up. All right, let's go and check. 49. Yeah, we're still not yet in profit. But, the reason why. Ooh. Do you know the reason why this is? I think we'll have to go and do this as convert. It's not picking up everything. It's not picking up everything. So look at what it's not picking up the 0.92 sand. Can you see that? So because of that, let's go and do convert. Sand USDT. How much did we buy it again? Please, let's go check again. Because if we have to do convert, we bought it as what? 6198. So really, we are supposed to be in profit. So we bought 49.58. All right. But because it's not picking up the entire thing, we have like about 30 to 40 cents of it stuck in there. So if we try to pick up everything, it's not going to pick up the entire thing. See, can you see? It's only picking up 79. It's not picking up 79.92. So when you have this kind of situations, you have to go and do convert limit. Okay, because convert limit will help you convert the entire thing. All right. Let's see. Is it going up? Are we going up? It looks like it wants to go down a bit. Well, that's always the risk of going with the parabolic SARS, 2 pieces of parabolic SARS, but it's still on the verge. So we're not deciding for, look at it. Can you see what's going on here? Yeah, I mean, I took this particular trade with emotions, and I have to be honest with you guys, because I'm like, wow, see it. It's looking so pumped. It's looking pumped, but it doesn't mean it wouldn't perform. But for us to get it to perform, and this will happen when you're taking a coin that's like 60, 50 cents and things like that. This is 61 cents, right? Almost 62 cents. So let's go and do convert. All right, let's go and do convert. Let's go to convert. Okay. So anytime you see that it's not picking up everything and you need it to completely pick up everything, you have to come to convert. So we're doing convert limits. Okay, Can you see that? So it already picks up. You can see it's already brought sand here. So we need to put on the maximum sand. Oh, no. This is supposed to be USDT. We need to make this USDT. All right. So we're putting the maximum of sand. You can see now it has picked up entire thing, but no problem. I want it to, we need to make sure that we put in what we want to do. We are actually selling, right? We are converting sand to USDT, and we want the entire thing. Oh, now look at it. Let's put the price as 6.3. Let's just put that there and see. But before I go ahead, let's go back and check. Let me see what's going on. Yeah, thank you very much, guys. Thank you, Kingsley. Yeah, let me check what is happening in the charts. Oh, can you see it's going up again? It's going up again. All right. So where was the highest it went to within 24 hours? You will see that the highest it went to in 24 hours was 6.8, right? 6.8. So because it is 6.8, right, I'm going to take that. We have it's 6.8. I'm not going to use 6.8 because that's the extreme it went to in the past 24 hours. Okay. If you look at it, that's the extreme it went to in the past 24 hours. So I'm just going to choose something in between it. Okay. So let's go back and go back to our convert. The price. Okay, so we're putting the price. Let me go back and use this as USDT. All right, and this is convert limit. Don't forget, it's not convert direct, it's convert limit. Don't forget that, please. Convert limit, and I want to change this. Before we put in the entire amount, the price we want to use, let's change this to 6.3. Let's change to 6.3 first. Then we put the max. Okay, now don't forget it was 49. It was 49.50 something, right? So if I want that to give me 2%, that would be like at least I should have at least let me see. I'm getting confused. I'm sorry. I actually forgot what it was. Let's go back. Let's go back and check the trade history. How much did we buy it? We bought 49.58. I'm sorry about that. I just skipped my mind. 49.58. If I want $1 on top of that, I should have at least, 50.60, cents. So let's go back and check. Let's go back into convert and do this really fast. Sorry about the waste of time. Alrighty. So then I'm gonna change this to USDT. Okay. And then I'll change the price to 6.3. Let me change to 6.4 first. Let me even see what that's gonna give me. And I put the max. Oh, this is giving me so much more. Let's change that. Let's make it 6.35. Okay, I'm not bad about that. That's not bad. Let's make 3.3. And that's exactly $1. So we can make 3.4 to give it a little bit more, oomph. Yeah. So I'm good with this, right? It's picked up the entire 79.92 sand, and it's going to give us a good amount at 0.634. All right. We will reconvene to continue this live to see when they actually, get, executed. I'll come back live to come and give the results. All right. So let's just place the order. Let's see. I think we're good. Let's go with that. I'm happy with it. Let's go with that. At least we're going to have over $1. We're going to have $1 plus. Okay. So we're currently in the trade, as you can see here. Yeah, you can see here we're currently in the trade. So this is our sand. That is 79.92, and we should be able to get 50.66. Don't forget it was 49.58. So this is going to be a bit more than $1, which is fine. Conservative enough. Okay, so we've practically done all of this. You can see the price has gone up. The price has gone up. It's 6.2 now, right? We bought it less than that. It's 6.2 now. All right, so let's just wait and see what's going on. Okay, let's go back and check what's happening in VET. Oh, are we still on the same point? Well, as you can see, it's going through its own time. Now, you may all see that, wow, we've picked up all the trades. And so I want to take you guys to another, platform. Let's see what's going on here. Has it gone down or gone up? Oh, it's like it's going back up. It's going back up. It is going up. It is going up. See where it got to. It actually went up high. Let's see. It went to 9448. Wow, look at it. This thing has gone up. It went to 948. Don't forget that where we're supposed to get it to is where? Where were we supposed to get it to? 966. Okay. So it actually went to 948. It went up, right? So it actually went up. So it's on its way up. Let's just look at it. It's on its way up. Let's just wait and give it some time, and then we'll be back to check it all out, right? Okay. So now let's look at, now what I've done is that I've actually carried the trades. I've taken the trades in gainers because that's my preference. Okay. But let me show you other ways to go about, picking up trades. So let's go back to the home page. Now, what we've done, these 3 trades we just did now, we did that with gainers. All right. You can also use users. Some people use losers. I don't use it anymore because the whole proposition is that if you use losers, if they're already very low, they will naturally switch and start going up. It's only a probability. I cannot ever ascertain. Look at this now. Let's go to FOR. You can see it's really low. So the whole idea is that it will soon begin to go up. Now that soon, you can never tell when that soon is going to be. So for me, I would say don't use losers. Please, you cannot tell. But you can decide to use new listings. Okay, that's another way. Now, in this case, the rules that we said about gainers doesn't really apply to new listings. New listings are coins that are just coming out. Now, these are the propositions for coins that are just coming out. It's expected that a coin that's just coming out will be volatile. It's expected you have a lot of velocity. So in that case, it doesn't really matter whether it's in a downtrend or an uptrend, because what you're looking out for is volatility, right? So please write that down. You can type that there, that for new listings, you're looking for volatility. You can type volatility there. What we are trying to do is to be able to check for coins that are volatile, that easily go down and go back up, because in this case you want velocity and you want volatility. Okay, so what is velocity? Velocity means that people are buying and selling in quick successions. Volatility means that it is unpredictable. It could go down now and then go back up in the next few minutes, right? Yeah, volatility. So we're looking for velocity and volatility when we are looking at new listings. Remember, the rules for new listing is different from gainers. Don't mix them up. The rules for new listing is different from gainers. So the rule for new listing is you are looking for volatility. Does it go up and down? Does it go up and down? And you're looking for velocity. Are people buying and selling very quick? That's what you want, right? So if I choose anyone here, ACE is supposed to be a new coin. As you can see, it's gone minus 15% in the past 24 hours. Bonk is also a new coin. You can see 1000 Sach is also there, right? We have JTO. So I want to take one. Let's just even look at ACE. All right. So the whole idea is that this one is supposed to be volatile. Let me go and check in the order book. Order book will tell me whether there's velocity or not, right? The velocity is very key when it comes to, picking trades here. Is it moving? You can see it's moving. People are buying. People are selling. It's moving. It has some measure of velocity. Next thing is that, is it volatile? Volatile just means that I'll go back to the chart. Is it moving up and down? Am I seeing that? Okay, in the 1 hour time frame, I'm not seeing much of that, right? But if I go to the 15 minutes time frame, am I seeing anything like that? It's looking stuck, right? I'm not seeing it move up and down. I need to see some movement. No movement. So I wouldn't go for this, right? It's not really about whether the parabolic size is underneath or down. No. I'm not seeing it go up and down. I'm not seeing it switch to in prices. So I want to definitely take that. Let's go back to the new listings. Okay. Let's expand the view. Let's check Bonk. Is that one giving us that? Oh, look at it. 15 minutes, but I'll go to the 1 hour. Am I seeing volatility? I'm not seeing movement. It's looking stuck. You need to be seeing the price go up and down like a little bit, right? So, and why are we looking for the price to go up and down? Because when it comes to new listings, we are going to set a buy limit, right? That is what we do on new listings. We will set a buy limit for a price that is lower than what it is there, so that it will go and meet it and execute, right? Then after it has executed, we'll now set a sell limit for a higher price. So you can see it has 2 steps. Now in the gainers, we bought outrightly because it was in pump mode. But when it comes to new listings, we have to set a buy limit for a lower price, so that it will buy, and then we can set a sell limit for a higher price and then sell off for profit. Those are the things we do, right? Let me choose another one that's green. Let's look at this A euro. Let me see, is it moving up and down? Am I seeing some movement here and there? I'm not seeing some good movement. Nah, not seeing some movement. What about the velocity? Is it moving? It's a bit stuck. Nah, I wouldn't go for this. I wouldn't. Even though it's a new listing, it's not moving up and down. It's not exchanging hands in quick successions. No, I wouldn't take that. I wouldn't take it. Let's go back and see. Let's see which one. I'm not seeing anyone that's giving me some good vibes for new listing. Nah. What about this TIA? No. I'm not seeing some movement, right? So those are the things that I want you to look at, right? I'm trying to see if I could find one that's giving me those vibes. Okay. Look at this. Can you see what's happening here? Can you see? This has volatility. It's going up a lot, going up a bit, and went down. Maybe just a momentary one. I don't know. I'm just trying to check. I'm trying to see whether it would. I saw it just move up, momentarily just now. But anyways, at least it showed up a bit. Let's go and check whether there's a lot of movement in velocity. Oh, people are buying this one. You can see that. So it's fitting at 1,000 sats. You can see it's looking like it. And it's in pump mode, right? I saw, it's moved a bit. You can see. So this is what I'm saying. Can you see what I'm saying here? In this case, because it moved a bit, right? Then you set a buy. Let's do a simulation. Right? Let's do a simulation for this 1,000 sats. Okay? Are you here with me? Yes. If you're here with me, say yes. If you're here with me, say yes. Are you still here? Yes. Say yes in the comments if you are still here. I want to be sure you're here and you're not sleeping on me, okay? So let's do a simulation. Let's do a quick simulation for this 1,000 sats. Yeah, I can see Chooks is here. Well done. Okay, so let's do a simulation for this 1,000 sats. Let's use $100, right? Let's go ahead and use $100. $100. And then, of course, it's telling me I have insufficient funds, definitely. We are all in trades. Let's just copy this out, okay? Let's just copy it out. So, sorry. This, I thought I was in auto run. I was just doing auto run because I love to do gainers. Sorry, let me get back into what I'm supposed to do. Before we go ahead, we're not buying outrightly. Don't forget that we're going to set a buy limit, okay? So that was what I forgot. So we're going to set a buy limit. So that buy limit, we're going to have to go down a bit. We're not going to use this 0007967. We will use 79, maybe 20. Okay, 7920. All right, and then now put our $100 there. All right, and then when we now will cut that, and then we'll come and do our sell limit and put like another 20 on that and see whether that will work. Let's make this 90. All right, and then we'll paste that here to see whether we'll make money. Well, of course, that was a very, very conservative estimate. Very, very low. So I think we can do better, right? You can see that we've made a profit of 88 cents. We can do better. Our target is always 2%. All right. So let me go back again and make sure that I get this one. I'll come back and I'll remove 60. I'll remove 60, right? And then I'll put 60 back and see how that goes. Let's put $100 here. All right. $100. Let's copy that. Right. And then we'll come here and put our sell. We'll make this, let's make this 80, 79, or let's make it 90, and then place that there. Okay, we have $1.13, which is not bad, right? That's just 1% plus. But if we wanted to go extreme, we could do more. Let's do it one more time, right? Let's do it one more time. This time around, right? What we just have to do, let me go down, let me remove this 60, right? And then I'll just put my $100. And this time around, I'm going to change this to, let me change this to 99, or let's make this 799. Okay, 99. Let's just wait and see whether this will give us a better amount. Don't mind me. Let's change this to 8. Let's change it to 8. Let's change it to 8. Okay, let's change it to 8. All right, I think 8 should just be, yeah, what am I saying? Sorry, I think we should change this to 9. Let's see. Oh, what have I done? Sorry. Let's make this 8.5. Okay. Let's make this 8.5. Oh, sorry. I think what happened was that I did not put the right thing there. Let's change to 8. I think 8 was just fine. It wasn't actually. What happened? Then maybe 8.1 will just be perfect. We just need to get 2. Oh, yeah. I think 8.1 was just okay. 8.1 or 8.05. 8.1 or 8.05 would just have been good. 8.05. Just to give us that 2% feel. Okay. 8.1 is better. I prefer 8.1. So in this kind of thing, I would just do 8.1 and I would have 2.5%, which is not bad at all. All right. So the whole idea is that this, when I set my sell limit or my buy limit to 7.9, how long will it get? How long will it take to get to that place of 7.9? How long will it take to get low? In that case, I will look at the 15 minutes time frame. That in the last 15 minutes, did it go low to that amount? That's what I will be looking at. Did it go low? Can you see? It actually went low. Can you see? It's even going low right now. It's at 7.916. Remember, we wanted to remove 66. Remember that what we wanted to do? You can see that in the other one, did it go to, it went low? Look at it. Look at the green. Oh, can you see? It actually went. Can you see what's going on here? This one is a good one, right? Because if we set our sell limit to 7.9 alone, from the chart, you can see that even though in the chart, it's currently at 7.914, right? So you will set your buy limit. So it goes and then it hits it at 7.9. Then we now come back and set a sell limit at a higher price. You can see that is exactly what we are doing. Okay. And because it has good velocity and also probably it also has a good, let me go back to my 1 hour time frame. It also has, some good volatility because it was 7.966 before. It's now 7.917. In that case, it most likely would hit our target. You can see it has gone down to 7.912. All right. It's going to go down most likely to 7.9 or 7.899. Then it will buy. Once it buys, you set your sell limit to a higher price. In that case, once it's in a higher price, you wait for it to execute. That's all you do, right? So that is for new listings. Do you understand that? If we do understand what I just explained, please say yes, I understand in the comments, okay? If you understand what I just meant, it is very important that we have these two things, velocity and volatility, because those are what's going to help us to get the trades executed. All right. I want to see if we can actually pick up another trade on another platform, okay? Thank you very much for understanding. I can see, yes, I understand in the chats, okay? Yeah, so that's actually for new listings, right? But we haven't taken any trades on new listings. So let's go, before we go to any other platform, let's see what's going on with our trades. Do we have it going up? Oh, no, it's not. No, it hasn't. No, it hasn't. And that's always a problem when you pick a trade that has only 2 parabolic stars, because it's not established, okay? But because I just wanted us to do this together and see it, right? It doesn't have an established parabolic SAR. It doesn't have an established parabolic SAR, right? But it's no problem. It will definitely come. It will definitely happen. Let's go and check LTO. LTO, what's going on with you? Let's see what's happening with you. Oh, okay, still going down. No problem. We will reconvene most likely tomorrow. And if I see that it's looking like it's going to, break out, I'll be back to give you the results. But for now, let's see how we go with this. What was the other one that we did? I can't even remember. Was it sand? Yeah, sand. Sand. Let's see sand. Let's see what sand is happening. Sand hasn't gone up yet. It's going down. No problem. It didn't have the established, So I want to show us what all this have in common. Yes, they fit the bill, but the established, parabolic SAR wasn't as strong. So at that point, that's why I always like to use parabolic SAR that's like 4, 5 upwards. Okay, but that's fine. That's fine. It's okay. It's definitely good. We just have to wait a bit, but we are going to get this executed. So don't worry about that. What we wanted to execute it as was, I think it was supposed to be 6, 9 something. So we'll come back to check it out. It's just having its pullback moments at this point. That's no problem at all, right? So let's go and check on another platform before we call it a day. If we have any questions, please drop them in the comments. And if you're interested in taking advantage of, the 555, quick start guide, all you just have to do is click on the link in the description and you can just send me a DM. And I'll let you have that just as a gift to the end of the year to get yourself started on also triangular arbitrage, inter-exchange arbitrage, and also we'll give you the videos. We'll also give you the apps that will help you, to spot these arbitrage opportunities. Okay, so you can do that and click on the link in the description for that. All right, so let's go and check another platform, right? Because I was just doing this. Let's check MEXC. MEXC is becoming a very interesting one for me. Let's just cancel that. Even though somehow it's giving me some funny creeps, but no problems, right? Let's just check on what's going on with MEXC. Okay, MEXC. Let's just check what's going on in BTC here. Let's see what's going on in BTC. Let's see, BTC, is it the same? I think it's the same, yeah. So we've got $40 here. Let's see whether we'll just split them into 2 trades, 2020, if we can find. I just want us to do this so that we can actually see whether it's the same nuances. Now, the reason why I'm doing MEXC is because it also has parabolic SAR to be able to see whether, will we go ahead with the trade or not this time around. Let's go to the home page and see what we can get, okay? Let's see what we can get. Let's see what we can get with Gainers, of course. Gainers is my absolute best, my absolute favorite, obviously, as you can see. And that's what I'm going to do the trade with. So we go to the Gainers, sorry about that, Gainers, and then we check. So we have SUV. They have an SUV? That's interesting. Look at all these names. Oh, no, look at this one. Look at this one. No way. No way. Artificial pump, and it's now on the downturn. See this one. What's the name of this one? D-Plat. Let's see what that is. 20 cents. No, I am not doing this. Look at it. Can you see that? It's just coming out. No way. I'm not doing that. XRP baby. All these things. These names are so funny. Look at it. Okay. And I'm not sure I will do this one. The reason why I wouldn't do it, because the wick on top is looking like it's in pump mode. The parabolic SARS is good. Even the RSI is not bad, but no way. I think I'll just put this in the cooler. And I'll come back to check QRP, XRP baby. All right. Then we have WJXN. Let's see that one. No way. In doing that one, you can see that the parabolic SARS is there, but it's actually in a downturn. And it's a new coin, actually. PPA, let's check that one. I'm not sure I want to do this, but it looks like it's not bad. Okay, looks like the parabolic SARS is up. I think I will go for this. Let's do $20. The parabolic SARS, the RSI is at 52. Let's check it out. We can be able to do $20 of this one. Like you can see, it's actually in pump mode. It's parabolic size like 5. Let's try it out. Okay, let's go ahead and try this out. All right, we're gonna put in $20. Okay, this is what? PPA. All right, 615. Let's see if I put this and I cut this one. If I want to sell, let's make this 333. Let's see whether this is, or 334. Let's see whether this is going to work. 92 cents, that's a lot, really. What we got in for is actually 2%, like about 2.5%. So if I make this 3.4, it should just be fine. Or 3.3, it should just be fine. I think we're cool with this. Yeah, that is just about 333. Okay, that's not bad. Work with that. All right, let's go back to buy. See what's happening. See what's going on. Let's go check what's going on in the charts before we go ahead. Is it going down? Let's check. Let's be sure. It's going down. That looks like it's having a pullback season. Will it go up? I'm not sure. The only thing that may make this go up is if the parabolic size is able to push it up. Let's just put this on the queue for now. PPA is not bad. I may look at this in a few minutes, right? All right. If you guys are seeing anything you want us to do in MEXC, you can go ahead and drop that also. All right. You can drop that also. I can see that PPA just went down. So it's looking like it's having a pullback season. So let's go and check another one. We're checking on gainers. There's Pump It. What am I seeing? Pump It. Oh my God. No way. Pump It. What a name. No way. I ain't doing that. DPC, or is that DFC? I don't know. I don't think I want to do this one. 32 cents. No, I'm not doing this. I'm not trying this out. Because I'm seeing, MEXC has new coins that come around, right? So because of that, Gecko. Okay, let's check Gecko. It's like a new coin. Let me go back to PPA and X. Let's look at XRP baby. I have a funny feeling about this XRP baby. That's not sitting well with me. So I'm not sure. PPA, what's going on with you? Oh no, it's still going down. No way. Let's work it out. Let's see whether there's anyone that we can use. We have MEMS. We have good. I'm not sure if good is good. No way, good doesn't look good. Gecko. Let's see Gecko. No, I don't think I would choose Gecko. I will still go for PPA. PPA looks like it's still going to fight it. And it's not a new coin. So I don't like playing with new coins like that. Because new coins are good. Because if you're able to get it, and you get it right, oh my God, you can do like 2 or 3 of these trades. But the only thing that's kind of like holding me back, I'm not sure about this. It's like it's going down a little bit more. Look at it. It's not really. It's 298 and it's been stuck on that price. So I need to know its next direction. I need to know where it's going next. If I'm able to see its next direction and it goes up, I'll pick it up, right? But for now, if it goes up, we'll not say, wow, we should have actually bought it. That kind of thing, But no problem. Which other one did I say I saw? Was it this WXJ? No, that's not good enough. SUV. What did we see about SUV? It's really going down. That SUV that we saw, it wasn't this deep the other time. That's why you shouldn't pick anything that's currently on a downturn. Even this one, no way. The one that's still calling out to me right now is PPA, and I think, was it Gecko we saw the other time? I'm not sure about Gecko. I don't think I want to choose Gecko. But what do you think about if we pick PPA? I thought we would just check it out after a while just to see whether it will change its direction. XRP baby. Look at it. Look at XRP baby. Oh my God. Should we go with this XRP baby? Oh my God, we should just have bought it. I think at this point we just have to buy it. I mean, look at it. It actually went up. So it's likely to pump up more, right? Let's just see whether I will just go ahead with this. Let's just go ahead with this. Let's go ahead with this. Okay. Oh, let's go ahead with it. Let's just go ahead with it. Let's go ahead with it. Did it buy? I think it did. I think we bought it. I think we bought it. Yeah, we did. I hope I made a good decision with this XRP baby. XRP baby. Come on, you gotta do as well, right? Let's go ahead and sell this thing. Let's put in our sell limit. Okay. Where did it go to last, right? Let's see. Let's see where it went to. I think it went to 2.5. Yeah. Let's go check. Oh, it's going down again. It's going down again. Let's go. No problem. Let's just see. I mean, that's why we're doing this together. Let's try 2.5. Let's try 2.5. Did it pick up everything? This is really good. Do we want to go to 2.5? No, I think we want to do less than that. But let me see what, it didn't even pick up everything. It didn't pick up everything. Look at it. It only picked up, let's go and check what it picked up. It only picked up $19. Look at it. It's only picked up $19. Look at it. $19.66. It didn't go beyond that. So all we're just looking for, we're looking for 2%. 2% will be like $40, right? 40 cents, I mean, right? Let's go and check. Can you see? Oh, has it gone down a bit? Looks like it's gone down a bit. But let's go ahead and get this sold, right? Let's do the sell. Let's put after 2.4. Let's see whether if we are able to get that. Let's see. Oh no, it's just about 33 cents. That's not much. I think I want more than that. It's going down at 241. Let's see if I put that here. It's not bad. Not a bad idea, because don't forget that it's going to give, yes, $19.66. That's like about 70. That's 38 cents. Okay, not bad. So what if I make it slightly lower than that? Or more than, let's make it 242. Let's make it 242. I hope you're learning some. This is another platform, right? Let's make it that. Okay, let's work with this 242. Let's wait and let's go ahead and put that in the queue. That's $19.66. So we're currently in the queue right now. Okay, we're currently in the queue. Let's see how this pans out. Okay, let's see whether, did it go further? It's going up. It definitely will go up, right? At least we've seen that it actually went up. Let me see what is going to happen here. What we just needed to do is to give us 242. That's all. And 242 looks easily achievable. It looks easily achievable, right? Let's see whether that's going to give us, what's going on here? I'm trying to see. Okay. 2.4. No, this is easily achievable. 242. Let's see where it's going to get to. We just need for it to get to somewhere here, and we're cool, right? So it looks like it's going to get there. We'll be back to check it out. All right. Now, let me tell you something about spot trading. You have to be willing to leave it for a couple of hours. You shouldn't expect that's going to happen like magic, right? No, just make sure that, okay, whatever we're doing in the space of 1 hour, 2 or 3, probably till the following day, we should be able to get this executed, and then we'll be back to see how all these things work. Okay, so we've done that. Let's go back and see. Oh, see what's going on. This is 2, 3. Wow, look at it, just right before our eyes. Can you see what I'm saying? It's at 2.4. It's at 2.4. Look at it, it's going on. Have we executed it? Oh my God, this is going to happen in a few minutes. Let's go and check. How much did we buy this? How much did we buy this, right? How much? I want to be sure. 242. Oh, wow. 242. Oh, sorry. I was wondering. That's not what I wanted to check. I'm sorry. 242. No, we as 236. So we're currently in profit. We can actually go check this out. Oh, Has it gone? We bought it at 236. We had an opportunity to get it sold at 240. Oh my God, ouch. Look at it. We could have gotten it sold. We bought it at what? What did we buy it as again? This thing is interesting. Can you see the volatility that's happening here? We bought it at 236. Okay, so we definitely cannot say it anything less than 240. Okay, but I mean, it's still playing games right now, but it's definitely going to shoot up high. Let's just leave it. Let's just leave it. What do you think, guys? What do you think? What do you think about this Mexi trade? What do you think? Anyways, we're currently here. Let's go and check if we can do one more. Okay, and let's use the remaining $20.33 to be able to see. We're currently on XRP baby. Then I think there was another one we're checking, PPA. PPA is still stuck. No way. Can you see what I'm talking about in terms of, what I call it now in velocity, up and down movements? Okay, this ad class, what's that one? Oh, this one looks like it's interesting. But do I want to choose this? I'm not sure. I'm seeing the parabolic SAR is up, but do I want to do this? This looks like it's stuck. I don't know. Let's go and check what's going on in the charts. I mean, in what's it called now? In the book, in the order book. What's going on in the order book? Is it moving? Is it moving? It's not moving. It's not moving. I don't think I will pick this one. It's not moving. It's not moving. It's not moving. It's not moving. Oh, is it moving? I think I saw it move right now. Is there something do we want to try this out? I'm not sure I want to take this one. This one looks risky because I'm not seeing movements. It looks risky. Okay, let's go and check another one. All right, DFC. I'm not doing DFC. Good. I wasn't sure. Gecko. We said we'll come back and check Gecko. No, it's not working. Let's go back to the SUV and see what's happening. It's even gone. No, not at all. So we'll check SUV, XRP baby. Oh my God, we're at 241. Has it executed? Oh my God, let's go and get this executed. Have we? Let me just try. Let me cancel it. Let's try and cancel. Let's see if we can get this sold. Can we get it sold? Sell. Let's see how much would we get. 99 would make profit. Would actually make profit. Oh my God, let me not waste time. Let's just go. Let's see. Let's make profit. Are we selling this? Oh, part of it has been bought, has been sold. Part of it. Oh no. Part of it has been sold. It's gone back again. Oh, come on. See it. Can you see what I'm saying? Part of it has been, so what I didn't check the quantity. I was so excited that I can get it sold at 241 or 240, but it will go back there. And how much would we have made? We would make 33 cents. 33 cents is not bad. It's more than 1.5%. Yeah, it's not bad at all, right? So I'm just showing that it's possible to just quickly get this trade sorted out. So let's just wait for it. It definitely would execute completely. You can see that about 38% of it has been executed. XRP baby will be back, right? Meanwhile, let's go and pick up another trade. Let's see. You can see that part of the money has come back. Don't forget what we had before. Yeah, we now have $7, like about 60 cents here. So just wait for it. Meanwhile, let's go check another one. We will use, don't forget we had $20.33. So that's what we're going to use for the trade. Let's just wait for this while it comes back up. It will definitely come back up. The other time it went up. So let's just wait for it to come back. All right. Let's go back and see which one we can get. Oh, I thought it was going to completely execute. PPA. Let's see PPA. PPA is still stuck. No way. MEMS. Let's see what's happening to MEMS. Oh, this is not bad. I think we should go with this. Looks good. $20.33. Let's go check it out. $20, $20. Don't forget, it's $20.33. Okay. What am I doing? No. Yes, I want $23. $23. What am I saying? That's supposed to be $20. 30 cents. Okay. Yeah. Let's go ahead and buy this. Let's go ahead and buy this. Can we buy this? Let's see. I think we bought it. We bought it. I think we bought it. Yeah. We bought it. Oh, wait. Wait a second. What has happened? I'm looking at, let me go ahead. Oh. Don't mind me. We just bought it right now. Okay, we just bought it, right? Let's go and see whether this is, let's go and sell. Oh yeah. Can you see? It's totally in pump mode. So let's go and see how much. Oh, it went down a bit. It went down. Okay, but no problems. Let's go back and see how much we can get this sold. Let's go back to sell. Let's put this at 15 and see what it's gonna give us. Right? 20. That's a whole lot. That's a whole lot. Let's just make this 14.5, 4.5. Oh, it's not gonna go beyond that. Ooh, ouch. Is it gonna go up higher? Wow. It went to 15 though. It went to 15. So we're gonna put it on 15. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put it on 15. Okay? It's gonna go to 15 because that's the only way it can. That's the only place we can put this at. That's the only place we can put this at. Wow, let's go ahead and do this. Let's just put that in there, right? Because that's the only place it can move, right? It's in 13 now. It should get to 15. Wow. It should get to 15. Okay. So while we wait for this to happen, I'm just going to go back into buy and see what's going on, right? With, what was that other one? What was the other one that we saw? I think that's XRP Baby, right? Let's go to XRP Baby and see what's going on with its life. XRP Baby. I hope you're following. Are you still here? This is the thing we have to go to. Don't forget that spot trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme, right? You got to put in the work. XRP Baby. Okay, let's go and see what's going on. Ooh. Ouch. Look at it. It's gone down low. It is gone down low. Can you imagine we got part of it sold? But now it's gone down low. Anyways, this is trading, okay? So we're going to come back and check on it later, okay? Thank you guys for still being here. Nice to know that you're still here. Yes. Okay, so we've taken trades on MEXC. We've done 2 trades here, right? We've done XRP Baby. We've also done MEMS, okay? And then we are now trying to wait for all of these trades to work, okay? Don't worry, just give it some couple of hours. We're doing this together. Okay? So we're just waiting for it, all right, to see how this is going to work, okay? So that's 195. Wow, it's really gone down low. It was supposed to be 2.4, right? But let's wait for it. It's going down 195. It's going to 1.8. Let's see what's going to happen to it. All right, we're here together. We sold part of it, right? It's just for us to get the rest of it sold. Let's check on MEMS. MEMS is still on 13. How did we get into this one? Let's just wait for it. Let's see what happened in the past 15 minutes. Oh, it's also went down. Let's see what happened in the past 1 day. Oh, it's going down. But let's just wait for it, okay? Let's hope it gets to 15. Or at least we can get part of our money back, all right? Let's wait and see. If I see an opportunity for us to get our money back, I will get out of the trade, all right? So that's it. We've done 2 trades here. Do you want us to go to KuCoin? Anybody, if you want us to go to KuCoin and try out trades, let me know. I'm thinking of closing the live right now. But if you want us to go to KuCoin, say KuCoin. Just drop KuCoin in the comments. If you want me to go to KuCoin, ma'am, I see serious pump on these coins we traded in the gainers table on Binance. I don't understand. You're seeing serious pump on the coins we traded in the gainers table on Binance. Which one? Which of them are you seeing, please? Which of them are you seeing? If you want us to go to KuCoin, just type KuCoin in the comments. Or if you want us to end the live now, no problem. We've done 2 hours already. If you want us to go to KuCoin, say, oh, let's go and check. He says that, oh, let's go and check. Let's see what's happening. Say that there's something going on. Let's see what's going on. Oh, we're still in the queue though. Let's see. Someone said it's KuCoin. ORN. Oh, but we're still in Sand, right? Sand has not yet gone up. Sand is supposed to go up. It hasn't gone up. It's still pumping. It's trying its best, but it hasn't gone up yet. VET, we're still here. You can see here for the VET. It's going up though. It's going up, right? Let's go and see how much did we put it. How much were we supposed to cash out on VET? 3,870. Oh, we're not yet there. LTO. Let's check out LTO. What's going on with LTO? LTO is still here. So we're still here, right? Okay, as it says KuCoin, we should go to KuCoin. No problem, we'll go to KuCoin, okay? So ORN, we didn't take any trade in ORN, but let's just check ORN. What's going on with ORN? Let's see. Oh no, ORN, I mean. ORN. Let's see what's going on with ORN. Did ORN go up? Oh, ORN didn't go up. I think it went down. Or did it go down? Maybe it did. But I wasn't checking the price. All right, so someone said you should go to KuCoin. So we'll go to KuCoin. I was hoping that by now we would have executed one trade, but no problem. We've partially executed one trade in MEXC, right? So we're currently in LTO. I'll definitely come back live, to come back and continue this. If I'm able to see any of them executed, I'll come and tell you the results, definitely. I was hoping that one would definitely maybe execute, but maybe just at least get some measure of profit. Well, let's see what this one is. This is 3756. How much did we buy it as? VET. I think we bought VET at 3771. 3771. So if this is 37, no. We're not yet in profit. LTO. We bought it as what? That's the LTO. We bought it as what? We bought LTO as 943. 943, and it's at 9. No, we're not yet at profit. We're not yet in profit yet. Even Sand, we're not yet in profit because we have to check Sand. Let's check Sand. All right. Sand. We're not in profit. What did we buy Sand as? We bought Sand as we bought it as 6198. We're not yet in profit. 6198 and Sand is 6148. So we are not yet in profit for any one of them. All right. Let's go and check KuCoin. Someone says we should check KuCoin. If we're up for KuCoin, let's go and check KuCoin. Why not? If not, okay. Before we check KuCoin, let's just check MEXC one more time. No, MEXC is still waiting. We haven't seen MEMS go up yet. We're still waiting for MEMS. All right. So MEMS is still here. Okay, let's check what's happening to XRP baby. Is still here, right? Let's check what's going on. We need it to execute. It's thank God it's going up. I'm happy that it's going back up. It's at 20 now. At least the other time it was at 19 something. So it's going back up. Let's just wait for it. All of these things, we need to have patience. We need to add patience to our spot trading. Very important. Very, very important, right? We need to add, patience to our spot trading. Let's go to KuCoin. Since you've asked for KuCoin, let me give you KuCoin. All right. I'll just see whether I will just take one trade there, one or two trades there, and see how that goes, right? Let's go with KuCoin, right? Let's go with KuCoin. Okay, I have another $40 here. We could use that. We split that into two. Let's go and check what's going on in the gainers market, all right? So you guys, if you have any coin you want us to check out in KuCoin, let me know. Let me know. Let's go to gainers. Guys, are you here? If you're still here, say yes. Let me know you're here with me. Thank you so much for being here. Right? If you're here with me, say yes, I'm here. I'm here and learning. Let me know. I'm here and learning. Let me know. And if you haven't subscribed, I don't know why you haven't subscribed. Go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Okay? So let's go ahead and check what's going on. Let's expand. I'm seeing ZUA. Let's check that one. This one is really funny. What's ZUA? What's that? This one just started. No, I'm not doing that. What about... What's all these funny names? High Incense. Let's see. Now, the reason why I wanted us to show, yes, I'm here and learning. Thank you, Chooks. Okay, great. Thanks so much. I can see a message from Chooks, a message from Sam, from Eze. Thank you very much. Now, look at this. I want to show us, and the reason why it's good that we are on KuCoin is because it doesn't have the parabolic SARS. Okay? So because it doesn't have the parabolic SARS, what else will we do? All right, we would definitely have to check and use the Bollinger Bands. Now, when the Bollinger Bands is opening up its ears, just a moment. So when the Bollinger Bands, is opening up, right, it means that it's actually gaining traction and it's actually enlarging. But when it starts to close down, don't take the trades. As you can see here, it opened up and then all of a sudden it's now closing in. So we won't take that. So those are the nuances of the Bollinger Bands. Okay, we're still going to use our RSI to checkmate this, right? But for now, looking at this other one, I wouldn't take it. Let's go and see iron. Is this iron? This is looking good, very volatile, but I'm not picking it because about one is $3. So, and then we're using $20. It doesn't make sense. So we need to choose coins that can fit the bill. This is store. No, I don't think I want to check this one. It's not in pump mode, number one. It has to be in pump mode. Don't forget, it has to be in pump mode. Please don't forget that. No, I think we just checked this one out. It has to be in pump mode. This one is not in pump mode. High beans. No way. I'm not choosing this one. So we need to make sure that if it's not in pump mode, we will not choose it. Okay. Let me see. I'm not sure this one they call store. No, it's not in pump mode. I don't think we have anyone that we can pick here. This one that is even zoo. I don't think I want to. No, it doesn't even have the Bollinger Bands to tell you anything. This one is not really opening up and it's not in pump mode. No way. I will not pick that. That high beans is having like a very volatile movement. Oh, AI. Let's see what's going on with AI. Oh, look at it. This is not in pump mode, but you can see that the Bollinger Bands has opened up. It has opened up, right? So it's looking risky. It might be a good take, but I don't think I want to do this kind of thing because I am not sure how it will perform. So AI could have just gone, right? This is BSW. Let's check. It's not this BSW. We can actually take this BSW because this BSW, look at it. It's in pump mode, almost similarly in pump mode, and it's the Bollinger Band is still in the open mode. Let's go with this BSW. We can try this out. Let's just go ahead and try it out and try out the simulation and see whether we can actually pick this, right? It's 13 cents, not bad at all. So I'm just going to put in, let's put in $20, okay? And then we will see whether we can pick that out. Let's copy it. All right, and then we'll try to sell. So we'll put it at, let's see, where did it go to in the past 24 hours? No, it's not, you have to choose something. Let's choose 339. Let's see what that's going to give us. Let's see what it's going to give us, really. Okay. Why is it not? It's like as if I didn't copy it. I thought I did. Oh, it's like as if I did. So let's check what this is going to give us. 20. Let's go ahead and do that and then cut. Okay, so I'll now go back and then sell. Let's put this at 13.7. Paste this and see. Okay, 29 cents. No, that's not what we're looking for, so it should go higher. 13.8. Okay, that's just about 2%. That's not bad at all. So let's see whether we can go with this. Okay, let's see whether we can do this. It's going up. It's looking good. It's something that I wouldn't mind doing. Let's go ahead and do this. All right, so we're gonna pick that and then we're gonna put in $20. Okay, it's gonna give us okay, I'll be back shortly. Let me just pause. Okay, I think we bought it. Oh, are we in the queue? We're actually in the queue. Oh, let's cancel that. I don't like being in the queue. Let's cancel that. Let's cancel that. Okay. What should we do? I think we need to buy it at a higher price. Let's buy it at a higher price. Oh, see. Ooh, can you see? Can you see? We need to quickly buy this before it goes up. What am I doing? No. I think I need to buy this quickly before it goes. Let's try and see. I think we bought it. We bought it. We actually bought it. Okay, so we bought that. Let's go and sell. Let's go and sell. Let's go and sell. Let's go and sell. Let's see, where did it go to in the past? Okay, so we'll just go ahead and just make this. I hope we didn't buy this as. Let me go and check. I hope I didn't buy this as 13.52. Let's check. I hope I didn't buy it as that. How much did I buy it as? Oh, that's the reason why I bought it as. Oh my God. Problem. Let's go back. Let's go back into this. It went lower, but no probs. We'll just put it in. We'll put it in and put. I think it was 13.8. 13.8, I guess. Let's go back to our sell. Pick up 100%. Okay, that's not bad at all. But it's gonna take some percentage. So I think I want to add more. Let's make this one 8.1. Okay, so it's just something that even if it takes something from me, let's see. Let's make this 8.2. All right, and then we need to sell it. All right, so let's put that in here. Let's pick up the 100%. 44, no problems. I think I'm good with this. Let's go ahead and sell. Okay, so that's currently in the queue right now. Okay, so we're hoping that this goes up. At least we can see that it was opening up. You can see that, like I said, I don't really like using Bollinger Bands, but it's just the alternative I have right now. And I can see that it was opening its hands and it's not yet closing up, even though the purple one seems like closing up, but it's still opening up. Let's wait and see how this goes. Okay, let's try and check one more. Let's check one more. I think we've really had a long time in this training. Anyone here will know that we have spent time. Yes, we have. All right. I mean, please let me know whether this made sense to you. If you can tell me, how what you've learned, that would be really nice. Just drop it in the comments, what you've learned from this training and what you've learned from us picking up trades. We've picked up trades in Binance. We've picked up trades in Mexi. We've picked up trades, we're picking up trades currently in KuCoin. So please let me know what you think about this class. Let me know what your experience has been. Has it met your expectation? Have we superseded your expectation? Have you learned a lot, right? And if you want to join the class, you have, all you just have to do, just click on the link in the description. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's wait for this to execute. Okay, let's wait for it to execute. Let's go ahead back to the home page and let's see if there's anyone we can pick again. This Kudos. Let's see what's going on with this one. This one is really opening up. This one is really open up, right? It has really opened up. Do you want to go for that? This is volatile. Do I want to pick this? It's looking good. It's not exactly in pump mode, but it's something that I don't mind choosing because I can see that this is good. This is actually good. This is actually good. Let's just go ahead and just pick this up. Let's see whether we can go ahead and buy. I don't know. Did it buy? Did it buy? I think we did. Did we buy it? I think we did. Okay. I think we bought it. Let's see what it is right now. Let's see whether we're in profit. Well, oh no, it's like it's going down, but no problem. We'll just go ahead and try this out. Okay, so let's set our sell limit. I'm going to put this as 13 and see what it's going to give me. Oh, 21.20. Of course, that's a lot. Okay, let's go back. Let's put it's really going down. It is looking like it's really going down. What's happening to you? Let's go and check. Well, it looks like it's quite volatile. Where did it get to? 12,888. Okay, let's see whether we can do with that. Let's see. 12,888. 12,888. Would it hit it? Let's go to sell. Okay. Not bad. This is over. This is a whole lot. This is actually a whole lot. So I'm just going to, let's do this. Let's just make it 12.8 and let's see. 88 cents. That's more than 4%. It's more than 4%. Do I want to try this out? No. Let's make this 12.6. Okay, I think I'm cool with this. Excuse me. Let's just sell it as 12.6. I mean, it's not bad. We will get 55 cents, which is not bad at all. Let's go ahead and click on Kudos. All right. So Kudos, we're currently in the queue. Let's see how this goes. All right. Let's go and check. Oh, it's going up. It is going up. It is going up. It looks like this is going to hit it shortly. It looks like it's going to hit it. But like I said, it doesn't have to get to that place. Let's just check what we bought it as. Okay, we bought Kudos. We bought Kudos at 12231. All right, what is it right now? Still there. Excuse me. Wow, I think it's executed. Oh my God. Can you see that Kudos has executed? This is a lovely one. This is a beautiful way to end our live today. Can you see that? We have executed Kudos. Kudos to Kudos. Okay, come on guys. If you love this, like I love it already, Kudos has executed with how much? 51 cents. Okay, let's go and check how much all of this was. All right, so we've executed Kudos. All right, and how much Kudos did we buy? We bought how much Kudos did we buy? Let me go and check. You have to go into, for KuCoin, you have to go into KuCoin and to check all the details. Okay, so we just executed that. We were able to get, that's 19.95. Okay, 19.95 is what we spent on Kudos. Okay, and it also took fee of 3%, like about 3 cents, right? That's a whole lot of fee. That's a whole lot of fee, okay? But let's go and check. We used 19.95 and we got, what did we get? We got, let's go back. We got 20.51. Let's go and check that on our calculator. I just love when we execute trades, okay? So we had 20.51 minus 19.95, 56 cents. So if I take off like that 3 cents, that's minus 0.3, let's say 53 cents. Okay, so 53 cents is like about 2.65. All right, so that's 19.95 times that should be 2.65, almost 53 cents. Let's just put that percentage there, 52 cents, I think. Yeah, or is it 66? Let's put 66 there. All right, good. So we made 2.66%. Don't you just love that? All right, so I have a question here by is it 600, right? And she says here, or he says, how to select a coin and what determines the trade. I'll come back to that question, but can you see the fact that we've made money? We've made 52 cents. We've made 53 cents. Okay, that is awesome. Please let me know if you love this. Let me know if you love this. I mean, just making money, right? I'm not saying that you will always have it that way, but I love the fact that we were able to make money right on this particular live, which was really cool. We could decide to take the trade again, but for now we wouldn't, right? Just let me know what you think about it. Let's go back to the BSW. I'll answer that question in a bit. I want to see what's going on with BSW. Do we get, where are we right now? Wait a second, where were we supposed to be? It's at 1333. Let me go and check. What did we buy it as, right? We bought BSW at 1351. Okay, we bought it at 1351. So because of that, we're still not in profit yet, right? It's currently at 1333. Okay, so we're waiting for it to get to its point, right? So let me quickly answer the question that 1600 asked. And that is how to select a coin and what determines a coin, right? There are many actual, things that determine the coin you select. Okay. Now, first off is your capital. And I always start from there, because if you are able to use like a $10,000 capital, wow, you can use any coin to make profit. But if your capital is limited, we have to look for coins under a certain price. That's the first thing. So your capital determines the coin you select, right? So by the time you check your coin, you select your capital, then you now say, okay, if your capital is like $50 and below, you should be looking for coins that are less than 10 cents. Or probably even under 1 cent, like a coin that is 0.003, 0.005, all those kind of coins. Or maybe coins that are like maybe under 10 cents, under 5 cents, because then you're able to make more profit, okay? Then number 2 is that you look at a coin that has velocity, that people are buying and selling, because you don't want your trade to get stuck. Maybe if you're doing triangular arbitrage, for instance, you don't want your trade to wait too long on the queue. You want it to execute fast, and that velocity is important, right? Now, you also look at the volume. The volume is that does it have liquidity on that particular, exchange and that particular pair. Very important, right? So these are general guidelines that help you to know which kind of coin to choose. But now, depending on the kind of trade you want to do, is it going to be spot trading? Is it going to be triangular arbitrage? Is it going to be inter-exchange arbitrage? Now, our focus today is mainly on spot trading, so I will explain that from the point of that view. But if you really want to learn more about triangular arbitrage and inter-exchange arbitrage, you'll have to join our trading program, because then we have live trades to focus on that separately. But today our focus is on spot trading. So for spot trading, you either go to gainers, right, and look for coins that are pumping, that have the RSI that have the parabolic stars pushing it up, right? Those are the things you now begin to look at. After you have decided on your capital, decided on the fact that the coin itself has velocity and volatility, especially if you're trying to do spot trading with new listings, right? You now go ahead and place your trade. I hope that helped. If that helped, please let me know. And if you have any more questions, you can always send me a DM and then we can look into it together. All right. So BSW is currently in the wait, so we'll just wait for it. Thankfully, we made profit. I love the look of the profit, right? I love the look of the profit. Okay, so let's leave that one and we'll come back to it when BSW has executed, and we'll just ship out the profit like I always love to do. If you have any more questions, let us know. We're getting closer to the time where we want to end our live trade, but before we go, we have to go back and check what's happening in all the trades. We'll be back to see how the trades have executed with time. As you can see, sand is looking somewhat good. It's going up. What was the price that we wanted it to be? It's going up though. It's actually going up. You can see that sand is going up. We're likely to have the trade execute. If I go back to the convert, I'll be able to see what we put it as. I can't remember what it is that we wanted it to execute as. So let's go back and see. I think it's here. Sand. Yeah, we wanted it to execute at 634, right? 634. Look at sand. We wanted to execute at 634. So we'll just wait ahead and see. You can see that sand 2 right now, so it's actually going up. We have to just give it some time. We can't rush these kind of things. Let's go to vet. Vet is still going down for now. We can see that it's trying to stabilize. It's actually had another parabolic SARS push it up, but for now it's still waiting. All right, then LTO. I mean, these are all the coins that you guys said we should do. Let's see, LTO, what did we want it to execute as? I'm trying to remember. How much did we buy it as? Right, LTO, we bought it as what? 943. What is it now? Because if it has some profit, oh no, it's on the move. Actually, it's on the move. It's 941. It's on the move. It's going to go there. I mean, thankfully, it had its pullback, but it's actually going up right now. So we'll see how that goes for now. All right, let's go to MEXC. Yeah, thank you so much, Juan. Thank you so much. I appreciate. All right, let's go to MEXC. Let's check that out. Let's see what's going on with MEXC. Do we have any trades already fully? Has it? We're still waiting for it. We're still waiting for XRP, baby. Come on. Mem, what's going on? I don't know what's happening. XRP baby is still here. I don't know why this is not moving as I expected. But anyways, it's back. It's going back up. Remember, look at it. It had a real serious pullback, but it's going back up right now. We just needed to get to that tip. Once it gets to that tip, once I see it happen, I'll be back here. You know that. I'll be back here. I would be back here. Awesome. XRP baby is going back up. It had a real dump at that point, but now it's going back up. Look at it. It's good. Our trades are doing well. We're just waiting for it to execute, right? So XRP baby, MEMS hasn't even... Oh, MEMS is still stuck. Wow. We're still trying to get MEMS to go up. MEMS needs to go up, but it hasn't moved. Let's just wait and see. Okay, it's supposed to get to 15. Let's hope that happens and we'll be back. Okay, so we've checked out our trades here and we've seen that, well, they're still working. We're still trying to get these things done. And I think at this point, we've come to the place where we'll just call it a day. Okay, we'll just call it a day. All right, we'll just call it a day and we'll be back to continue. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this has actually been, helpful to you. Thank you guys. I can see that you guys have been here. I can see your likes. I can see your dedication, your commitment to learning. Thank you so much once again. God bless you. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, go ahead and do that. Okay. Thank you once again for watching. And I'll be back here again to continue the live and to continue, getting the trades executed. And we'll see shortly. Take care. Bye-bye. Have a great day. Bye.